So I've been watching Brandon Sanderson's free online writing courses or lectures, and I have some things to say about them. Hi, I'm Elijah. I write comics for heycomics.com. I also produce comics over there, and I'm very interested in writing and helping other writers become better writers and other people becoming better storytellers. I was watching Brandon Sanderson's lectures that he's releasing in 2005. I went back in time to this year in 2025. They've been great. He's a very smart individual, and I have been getting a lot of value from those free lectures. So I just want to say thank you, Brandon, for putting those out there. You don't have to do that. It's very cool that you're doing it. I highly recommend you go watch them for yourselves, because I'm not going to really talk about what I learned in them, but I'm going to talk about what I learned about them. I'm watching them, and there's really good nuggets in there, but the whole thing really is not anything 100% new. There are some ways that he frames it, which is very interesting, but a lot of the information is already out there into the world, and I think that just made me think that the internet is a great place and that there are no gatekeepers anymore to like education, which is fantastic. I've learned a lot of the things he's been talking about just through online books and YouTube gurus, like the ones like me, I guess. I'm not a guru. I just like to talk about writing and think about it and hopefully and shout into the void, and hopefully it shouts back at me. Anyways, besides my insecurities of being a guru coming across, I think we live in an awesome time with unlimited access to education, which is a fantastic thing. It's really awesome. That's all I wanted to say, really. I just really enjoy how we're living in a time where anybody who wants to do anything creative has the tools to be able to do so. So basically, I'm just making this video to say, hey, if you haven't finished your first book yet, go do it. Because there's no excuse. You have all the information at your fingertips. And if you want to distract yourself from writing and procrastinate, go watch Brandon Sanderson's lectures.